Alright guys, another fairly run-of-the-mill kit, not doing a big video on this one. Standard stuff, manual, 1287, same as we always do pretty much. Suppose you're steady getting this engine back together. You know, all the standard things we normally do, level 2 kit, so ARP head bolts, all the rest of it. ARP balancer bolt, all ARP hardware, the level 2 kit, Crow Cam's pickup girdle, billet, barbell, all the rest. All the standard stuff you always see us do. This one's getting a new clutch as well, so we've got an MPC clutch, which Rex is sorting out the bell housing for now. Get the MPC clutch on this thing, get it in there, ARP, flex plate bolts, flywheel bolts, I should say. Yeah, so this thing was on its way out, came here with a noise. We didn't get any pre-runs because we had a dud lifter. So, as you can see from this lifter here, she wasn't long for this world. Luckily, the owner got onto it when they did, and we are giving this thing a new lease on life. It didn't cause any lasting bad damage. It was a bit of a funny noise it was making. It wasn't a typical noise of a lifter issue. It was more of like, I don't know, it almost sounds like a soft exhaust leak, the way it sort of, I don't even know how to describe it. It wasn't a tick or a tap, it was like a whoosh, if that makes any sense. But it was a weird noise, but we did determine it was a lift pretty quickly, and yeah. Confirmed lifter issue. So lucky the owner didn't just dismiss the noise, because it wouldn't have lasted too much longer. But anyway, cam over here, you can see the hard facing on the cam is screwed as well. So yeah, hard facing on this cam was rooted, lifter was rooted, she was about to go in a big way. So anyway, got it early, no metal in the sump or anything, no damage, oil pump even still looked good, but we've got a new oil pump on that anyway. But yeah, happy days. Anyway, we got this back together. See what this 1287 in a manual does. Already has an exhaust. Yeah, happy days. So we've got a new LS7 lifter soaking in oil, new lifter buckets, ARP head bolts, new multi-layer steel head gaskets, genuine AC Delco GM replacements. Yeah, all the standard stuff. This thing will get a CHE trunnion upgrade as well. They are, in our eyes, pretty well a standard upgrade. We at least don't perform any upgrades in the shop with cams over 600 lift without doing the trunnion upgrade. We will refuse that. So pretty well a standard as far as cam upgrades go here. So. Alright guys, well, very, very impressive in the end. 494 on 98. That's the second most power we've ever seen from a stock bottom, just a cam 6 litre on our dyno that we've done. The most was the green VF we did, which went 495 on 98 and 505 on E85. And funnily enough guys, it was literally the exact same setup, the same cam, same heads, everything the same. Just I think it even had a Harrop OTR as well. Probably slightly different exhaust, because this exhaust was already fitted to the car, but this is our tried and true setup that we just replicate now. It's just the one we just rinse and repeat on these things. And yeah, not often we see these sorts of numbers. There are a lot of people that talk about dyno figures and numbers. We have seen up to 20 horsepower difference on dyno numbers at 400 horsepower just in changing tires over. So there's so many little things that go into just getting that, all those little extra little details. Even just like a slight drivetrain vibration can tax a fair bit of power. Bad drive shaft angles can tax heaps of power. So the fact that this car doesn't appear to have been lowered, it must be on some pretty decent rubber, or rubber that the dyno likes anyway. The other thing is standard diff gearing. Really tall diff gears help with the final power number as well. So all these little things add just little, you know, 5 horsepower here and there. It all adds up. So we don't get too hung up on the numbers, but it is always nice to see when everything lines up that these combos do put out a really good amount of power for what a stock bottom end 6 litre is. So yeah, second time we've replicated this exact combo. It's gone well over 490, and yeah, happy days. So very good result. Must be whatever Bo's doing to these things while we're not looking. That Statesman, the Statesman we last did that went 417, that was a big surprise. This thing, really good results. So a couple of really good results this week. So well done to the whole crew, whole team. Thanks for watching as always, guys. Smash like, smash subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out, see you, bye.